Emmie. This is your tutorial for your traveler dance for the water. So if you're facing the audience, you are going to come from the left back curtain. You're going to bring your girls to the center-ish stage, and then you're going to keep going and leave the girls and they'll find their spots. You're going to come off to the right of them, and then you're going to do your dance there. So the first verse is your voice. So you're going to do an arabesque with your right arm up and your left foot pointed. Your voice calmed the wind. You're going to bend your right arm and then switch. And the C, pick up your left foot. And then you're going to skip in a circle twice. It's alternating, so if your left foot is up, your right arm is going to be up. And then just switch and do 2 circles. So your voice calm the wind, and the C, can you, is just a first position with your arms in preparatory. And then can you, this is your left arm, and then your right foot is pointed. Calm these storms. You're going to bring your right arm up and bring your right leg up. Skip, skip, skip. This is just 1 circle, and then you're going to go inside of me, which is right arm on your heart, left leg pointed, then switch, left leg or right leg pointed, left arm on your heart, and then you're just going to go this way again, and then this way, and then it's help me. So you're going to bring your arms, left arm is to the side, right arm is in front of you, and you're going to bring your right leg behind into like a 4th position, and then you're going to do a pirouette. So help me to stand on the promise. So you're just going to bring your left arm and bring it into a cloud arms position and put your left leg up. Help me to stand on the promise that you are holding. That's a tour jeté. My right hand, so your right hand is going to be up and your right leg is pointed. Help me to know. You're going to swirl your right arm and then put your left foot behind your right, and then put your right arm, bend your right arm so it's crossing or in front of your body, and then do it to this side. And then you're going to go down and jump, and then kind of give yourself a little hug, and point your left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot. Help me believe. This is your left hand up. You, right hand, will be my portion and my strength. And then there's a bit of a music part, so you're going to go up into a 5th position arms, and you're just going to do a little spin, and then arabesque with your right leg pointed, and then here, spin, up, and then I think it's here, oh no, sorry, so it's spin, up, waltz, so step on your right foot, put your right arm up, and then you're going to step on your left foot, right foot, put your left arm up, and then step on your left leg, step on your right, left, step on your right, right arm goes up and you can look down, and then you're going to swirl your right arm to cloud arms, point your right foot, and then it's your voice gave the blind. So cover your eyes, and you can look down at your left hand. The gift of step on your right sight. So you're going to do a jeté with your left foot in front, step on your right, arabesque with your right leg up, and then you're going to put it down and swirl your left or right arm into cloud position. Sorry, let me back up a little bit. So, your voice gives the blind the gift of sight. Here, here. Can you take, just swirl your right arm here, my darkness. So you're gonna lunge facing the left with your right leg in front. And then your right arm is lower than your right arm. My darkness. And turn it into, you're gonna do a little spin here with your left leg in front. And turn it into light. And then you're gonna step on your left leg and put your left arm up. And then it's into the second chorus, so you're gonna exit off stage right behind the front curtain. All right, thank you.